Hi, and welcome to my presentation on big data. So what exactly is big data? All websites define it in different terms. One way is big data is a popular term used to describe the exponential growth and availability of data, both structured and unstructured. Another one says big data is a collection of data from traditional and digital sources inside and outside your company that represent a source for ongoing discovery and analysis. A common theme through all the definitions I found is that big data is difficult to store in traditional databases, difficult to process on standard servers, and difficult to analyze with typical applications. Doug Laney has articulated the now mainstream definition of big data. Big data is high volume, high velocity, and high variety information assets that demand cost-effective, innovative forms of information processing for enhanced insights and decision making. The first part of this definition are the 3 V's. Volume refers to the amount of data. This includes transaction-based data stored through the years, unstructured data streaming in from social media, and amounts of sensor and machine-to-machine data being collected. Velocity refers to the real-time analytics, the rate of change, and linking data sets together that have different speeds. Nowadays, data streaming at an exponential speed. RFID tags, sensors, smart metering, and data sharing between devices are driving the need to deal with torrents in real time. Third is variety, and this refers to the number of different types of data. This isn't just numbers, dates, and strings. Big data is also 3D, audio and video, and unstructured text, which includes log files and social media. However, many other people have a 4th V to this definition. Veracity, which refers to the messiness or trustworthiness of data. With many forms of data, the quality and accuracy are less controllable, but with new technology to analyze this data, we now have a way to manage this information. The second part of his definition is to find a cost-effective and innovative form of information processing. For this part, think about technology capabilities to store and process unstructured data, to link data of various types, origins, and rates of change, and to perform comprehensive analysis. Trying to do this would be expensive and time-consuming, but finding a cost-effective way is your best solution. So between all these definitions, we talk about unstructured data and structured data a lot. So what is the difference? Unstructured data comes from information that is not organized or easily interpreted by traditional databases or data models, and typically it's text-heavy. Metadata, Twitter tweets, and other social media posts are good examples of unstructured data. Multi-structured data refers to a variety of data formats and types and can be derived from interactions between people and machines, such as web applications or social networks. A good example is a weblog, which includes a combination of text and visual images along with structured data like form or transactional information. After you get an understanding of the 3 V's or sometimes the 4 V's, and you can find a cost-effective way to analyze, you could then move on to the most important part for businesses, the results. Learning how to identify problems, read, and analyze big data technologies while those technologies are constantly changing, and to utilize all this information is the goal of any company. Companies are always looking for their data for actionables. So with the right platform to analyze the big data, the benefits could be great. It could boost sales, increase efficiency, improve operations, improve customer service, and improve risk management. But with every benefit comes the challenges. The volume of data, the amount of different formats of data collected across an organization, and the different types of data that can be combined, contrasted, and analyzed is very overwhelming. However, it can all be managed. Step 1 is to break down the data silos to access all data you store in different places and different systems. Then create a platform that can pull in unstructured data as easily as it is to pull in structured data. So what's the bigger picture? Being able to analyze big data is becoming easier as technology develops and corporations understand better how to do so. The results can be outstanding. According to Datamation, today's advances in analyzing big data allow researchers to decode human DNA in minutes, predict where terrorists plan to attack, determine which gene is most likely to be responsible for certain diseases, and which ads you're more likely to respond to on Facebook. So what are you waiting for? Take the first leap into big data and find out all the possibilities that could be awaiting your company. As motivational speaker Zig Ziglar said, every choice you make has an end result. So make the choice to analyze all this information and have a great result at the end and great value for your company. I hope you learned something today about big data and have a great night. Thanks.